Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I Assistant Professor Sumaya Tamboli is going to clear your concept on working with frames in HTML. Okay? Frames in HTML. HTML frames are used to divide the web browser window into multiple sections where each section can be loaded separately. A frame set tag is the collection of frames in the browser window. Okay? Here, frames in HTML concept is what? We are going to divide a web browser into multiple sections. Okay? We are going to divide web browser into multiple sections. And here for this, we are making use of frame set tag. Okay? Which is the collection of frames in the browser window. Right? Next. Creating frames. Instead of using body tag, use frame set tag in HTML to use frames in the web browser. Okay? That means what? The body tag will be replaced by frame set tag, right? The frame set tag is used to define how to divide the browser. Each frame is indicated by frame tag and it basically defines which HTML document shall open into the frame. To define the horizontal frames, use rows attribute of frame tag in HTML document. And to define the vertical frames, use calls attribute of frame tag in HTML document, right? Now this is the example, okay? Here see, I have said you as the body tag. As in the previous video, I have already explained you the structure of the HTML document. Please keep on watching those videos, right? So in those videos, you can see the body tag is taken, right? But here, there is no body tag. The body tag have been replaced by frame set tag. Okay, since we are going to divide a web browser window into multiple sections, okay, and each multiple section is going to work separately. Individual working of the frames or the section can be done in this concept of frames, right? So here you can see frame set is the container for the frames, okay? Frame set is the container for the frames. And here you can see if we want to divide a web browser window horizontally, then we are making use of the attribute rows. And the sections of the windows percentage have been defined over here. That means what? This first frame is going to take 25% of your browser window. Frame 2 is going to take 50% of your browser window and frame 3 is going to take 25% of your browser window. How this windows sections will be? These are horizontal like this, okay? Horizontal. That's why here the attribute rows is taken, right? Next. No frames container, okay? The no frames element contains content that should be rendered when frames are not displayed, okay? When frames are not displayed, then this no frame element is going to rendered, right? If a user is using any old browser or any browser which does not support frames, then no frames element should be displayed to the user. Okay, let's see this practically, right? Here you can see the example I have taken, right? I have replaced the body tag with the frame set tag and I am making use of the attribute rows. That means what? I am dividing my window in 3 sections horizontally, right? Very first one is of 25%, second one is 50%, and third one is what? 25%. And here I'm making use of 3 frames, right? Frame SRC is equals to which frame to be displayed in the first section, right? So I have made use of this HTML document, right? Similarly, in the second frame, I'm going to make use of this HTML document, and in the third frame, this HTML document will be seen, right? And this is the closing tag of your frame set, closing tag of your HTML, right? Let's execute this HTML document and see what happens to our window, web browser window. I have saved this file, right? Now see, I have executed the file and this is what my browser, right? See, this is my browser, right? After executing the file, see here you can see this is my first frame. Okay, this is my first frame. So here this section is working individually. See here you can see this section is working individually, right? This is how we have divided our web browser window into 3 sections, okay? And here I can display 3 different HTML documents in a single web browser, right? In a single web browser window, I am able to execute 3 different or able to open 3 different HTML documents. See here you can see this also, right? This is also working individually, right? Again here the last one you can see this is also working individually. So this is how we have divided our window into the 3 sections horizontally, okay? Now see, I have changed the attribute rows to column, okay? I have changed the attribute rows to cols, right? So here after execution of this file you can see this is how the windows have, window is divided, right? The window is divided vertically. You can see 3 frames are here, right? 3 frames. The window is divided into 3 sections vertically. For dividing a window vertically, we need a attribute said as cols, okay? cols, right? So this is how your web browser window is divided vertically, right guys? So this is what the concept of frames. You can try it by yourself. If any doubt, feel free to ask me questions, right? I'll definitely try to clear your doubts. Thank you for watching this video.